How to copy handwritten notes using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to copy your all notes using Google Lens and they are handwritten, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply download Google Lens app from Play Store. I already installed it. You guys can download it. Once we install it, simply click on Lens app. Here it will say open camera screenshot. Like in my phone it was saying screenshot. In your phone it will be different folder. So for copying the notes handwriting text, you need to took a pic of your notes. For example, I have that handwriting pic, so I will simply select it, and once I select it, here you guys can see select text. So I will simply click on select text, and once I select text, the whole text was select, and here it's a copy. So I will simply click on copy and I will paste it in the right place. And you guys will do simply for all the notes pages, like you will took all notes pages pics, and after that you will simply select one by one and copy the text, and you guys can paste it in the right place. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.